start on Thursday. She gets to meet when she's a kindergartner. Grandpa Dan had it. Nope. Thursday. No.
We're waiting for the twins. Jelana, come here. Yeah, let's wait for your sister now. Come. It's okay. Ang tagal, no? Ayan. Grabe. Whew. Katatapos ko lang maoperahan. Uy. Naoperahan ako nung Friday. Pahinga ng buong maghapon ng Friday. Pahinga ng Sabado, ng Linggo. Pahinga ng Lunes. Tuesday ngayon, back to work. Kaya naman sa awa ng Diyos. Jelana, let's wait for your sister here. None yet. Oh, yeah, back to normal. Grabe, uy. Ayan.
Yeah, I did the bottom. I did this part, the ruts.
Kaya, ingat-ingat sa sarili. What's that?
They're going like crazy in this weather. They're getting this weather. They're going like crazy. I bet you they're working 6. They work until 8.
Our people.
I bet you they're working until 8 or 9 or 10 at night.
Maybe midnight. Letter C.
No, you want letter C like this. What is this? Nama.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna make a new one.
Whew. Pagod pa.
No tea, okay?
Pagod. Jelana, what are you doing? Where's your sister? School bus. Not yet. You waiting for a long, long time. Oh. Oh, I see it. Buti na lang wala nang trabaho si Lolo, nag-retired na. So siya nang taga-sundo. Ako naman ang pasok ngayon.
What is this?
I.
1.
Oh, 1 or L?
1.
Where's your sister?
Here.
12 minutes till the oven goes off.
You got time too.
Ayun. Kaya lang, hindi naman nabawasan ang appetite ko. Kain pa rin, uy.
Ryan's going tomorrow. Starting out.
Oh, he's not going to work? He lost weight. He kind of like evolved his face to something.
Well, what happened was, I think he started working up there, gained weight, got rid of it real quick.
Wow, lucky for him. He can lose just like that.
Now go hike in front of the mountains and don't eat much. That'll take it right off. I've been 31 years old. 30 years old.
Yeah.
No cheating, man. A, B, A.
A.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot to take the photo.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Ganado pa rin kumain.
Not tea.
Where's your sister?